everybody, I'm JT from Putzmeister Academy here at Putzmeister America. So today we're in the test stand, and with a little help from one of our technicians, we're going to go through a quick overview of how to change your hydraulic oil filters on a Sany boom pump. Well, that brings us to the end of our hydraulic oil filter change overview. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us via the 1-800 number or the website. I will put part numbers to the filters used in this video in the description below. And for future Putzmeister Academy videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.